Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I'm super excited because I got mail. Look at all the goodies I got. I'm calling this friend mail. I don't know that it necessarily technically qualifies as friend mail, but I'm calling it friend mail. And then I won an amazing giveaway and I can't wait to open this up. I can't wait to open all of it up, but I've been holding on to this for days, waiting for an opportunity to get on camera and show you what I got. So we will start with the one I received first. And this is from the amazing Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I was watching one of her unboxing videos and she unboxed some tea. And I love hot tea. And she was talking about how good the tea bags smelled. And I said, oh, I'm going to have to look into those or something to that effect. And she commented and said, I will send you some. Which was super, super sweet of her to send me some tea. She sent me more than just some tea. And she sent me a card. How sweet. Thank you so much, Mary Catherine. Thanks so much. Dear Leanna, enjoy this tea from Daily Goodie Box. I hope you enjoy the mask as well. Thank you for your support, my friend. See, friend mail. Love, Mary Catherine Loves Cats. How sweet is that? That is so sweet. So here's the tea, and they come in these little, I've never seen tea like that. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. They come in these little triangle bags. Look at how cute that is. Gosh, that smells so good. I cannot wait to have a nice hot cup of tea with those tea bags. Thank you, Mary Catherine, so much. I will let you know how I like those. And then she knows that I like to do Mask Monday videos with her and everybody else. So she sent me some mask. She sent me a Pure Lease mask, and I have seen all of them talk about this mask. I've never had one. Oh, it's the Blue Lotus and Seaweed mask. I'm very excited to try that. And then she sent me Hot Steam Eye Mask. I've never heard of that before either. Relieves eye fatigue, reduces dark circles, eye bags, and crow's feet. I'm super excited to try that. And then look at the little kitty cat stickers. This says chin mask, stretch, snap a couple of times. I've never tried a chin mask either, so lots of new things for me to try. Even the triangle tea bag, so that is super awesome. Mary, you sent me way more than I thought you were going to. I truly, truly do appreciate it. I love to support you and your channel. Your channel is awesome. So that is what I got from Mary Catherine Loves Cats. And then, I believe in my last Mask Monday video, I was talking about my under eyes and my crazy ideas about what to do to help my under eye problem. And Christina, who has a channel here, Christina Skiles, she commented about, she has a mask, an eye mask collection. And I said to her that I wanted to get an eye mask like what she has. She has these beautiful silk eye masks. So she said that she would send me one of her silk eye masks, which just touched my heart because she collects them and she's going to give up one of her eye mask out of her collection to send to me, and I thought that that was so incredibly sweet. And she has sent me a card as well. Oh, look how pretty. That is a Hansa. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a Molly and Rex card. I've heard about Molly and Rex cards. Hi, Leanna. Thanks so much for the cute fortune-telling sign you sent me. I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed these sleep masks, Christina. So, if you've been watching my channel for a little while, this is a new setup. And in my old setup, I had this beautiful fortune teller sign that my cousin Mary made for me. It was hanging on the wall, and Christina had commented about how much she liked that sign. So, unbeknownst to her, I mailed it to her, and she did a video putting it up on her wall, and she liked it. So here's the mask that she sent me. Slip Pure Silk Sleep Mask. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty that is. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. This box has never been opened. I bet Christina has never even touched this mask. Oh, look how pretty that is with the lipstick on it. It's got a little tag on it. It is super, super soft. Oh my goodness, and it feels very, very cool on your skin. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. I can wear that with my under eye patches. That is going to be amazing. Thank you so much, Christina. I absolutely love it. And along with that, she sent me two other goodies. She sent me a little silk hair tie from the same company, Slip. That's nice. I wear my hair up a lot, especially at work. I get hot at work and end up putting my hair up. And she also sent me a little sample of Coach Dreams. Oh, that smells amazing. Thank you so much, Christina. I love that. So those are all of the goodies that Christina sent me, and I'm going to link Mary Catherine's channel and Christina's channel down below. Mary Catherine does a lot of unboxings, and Christina does as well. They're both very, very lovely ladies, and I'm sure that most of y'all are probably already following them, but if you're not, you should go check them out. And then this is from RealLady Electrician, Crystal. She did a giveaway. I think it was for her 300. It may have been her 250. I should have gone to look. But anyway, I won. She had 3 winners, and I was the first winner, so I got to choose which one of the gifts I wanted. I got first choice. And I can't wait to show y'all what I picked. This item has been on my wish list for a very long time. And she as well sent way more than what she was supposed to. You ladies are amazing. She sent me a card. Look at the little monsters on there. How cute are they? Oh my gosh. Look at that cute little puppy. He's so cute. Hi, Leanna. I'm so excited for you to get the Tiny Marvels palette. Enjoy. Thank you so much for your support of my channel. I love Crystal's channel. She makes me laugh so much all the time. Especially when she will fast forward her videos so that she sounds like she's been sucking on a helium balloon. It just cracks me up. I mean, this box is full of stuff, and I thought I was just getting a palette. Oh my gosh. Oh, all this stuff. Oh my gosh, there's more. Crystal. Here's the Tiny Marvels palette from Sydney Grace. Y'all, if you have not tried Sydney Grace shadows, you don't know what you're missing out on. They are phenomenal. And this Tiny Marvels palette is a collab that Sydney Grace did with Mel Thompson. Mel Thompson has a channel here on YouTube. I will link her channel as well. But look at the packaging. Look how pretty that is. She had an artist do the packaging. She has a lot of tattoos, and most of them are of different little bugs and creatures, and so she had an artist do the packaging in tattoo style. That is so pretty. I love Sydney Grace shadows. They're just, I have the Enduring Love palette. Here's the palette outside of the sleeve. Oh my gosh. This palette looks totally different in person than it does in any of the pictures or videos that I have seen online. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I'm so excited. Who knew that when I was in my 50s I would be so excited over eyeshadow, but eyeshadow is just magical. It's magical. I just love it. Oh, that is so pretty. I cannot wait to dig into that. And then my table is covered with goodies. She sent me a Sydney Grace little makeup bag. That is nice. Nice and heavy. I love that. That'll be great to put some things in and throw it in my purse. And then she sent me 3 brushes. You never can have enough brushes. It's like a little contour brush with the crystals. Crystal sent me a crystal brush. She sent me a Sydney Grace single shadow. Ah, look how pretty that is. So pretty. Truth and Beauty, it says. That is just gorgeous. And then she sent me some BoxyCharm chia seed moisturizing cream. Little sample. Oh, she sent me the It Cosmetics Confidence in Your Sleep. Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep. I think this is for your eyes. No, it's Skin Transforming Pillow Cream. I thought maybe it was that eye cream that I've been wanting to try. I love the It Cosmetics cream. Oh, look, it's purple. Oh, that smells good. I'm excited to give that a try. I love their creams and stuff. And then she sent me another Boxia. I want to say Boss Chica. That's not right. What is this? Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. She sent me some more It Confidence in a Cream. Anti-Aging Amour or Armor. It Cosmetics is really good. And then here's a little box that has Sydney Grace on it. Let's see what's in here. Whipped Berry. It is a highlighter. My goodness, look at how pretty that is. Wow, thank you, Crystal. I am just blown away, girl. I can't believe you sent me all this stuff. And there's one more item. This is a Daily Concepts multifunction soap sponge. I've never heard of one of these, and it's mother of pearl. Gentle, mild, and vigorous. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. Thank you so much, Crystal. I had no idea. I thought I was just getting a palette, which would have been phenomenal in itself because I was so excited when you messaged me that I had won that Mel Thompson palette. That is just amazing. Everything that you sent. And my mask and all of my sheet mask for Mask Mondays and my tea. I have all of these goodies to sit over here and just spoil myself. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate all 3 of you. So like I said, I will list all of the channels down in the description below so that y'all can go check them out. Mary Catherine Loves Cats, Christina Skiles, and RealLady Electrician, because she is a real lady electrician. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me open some friend mail and a giveaway. I appreciate you. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. And if you have not already subscribed, please consider hitting that subscription button. It sure would make my day. And I would like to remind you, as always, that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Look, Christopher, we have all kinds of new masks. See? You want Mama to send you some of these hot steam eye masks so you can cook so that it will help your eyes look better? That looks very interesting. Or a chin, you need a chin mask, except for you have to shave. How appropriate for Dexter to get up on the table while I'm talking about the mask that Mary Catherine Loves Cat sent me, right? Oh, Dexter. Anyway, Mama loves you, boo.